Hello and welcome to the Sussex IFCA guide for submitting monthly hand gathering catch returns. To begin this process, you can navigate to the Sussex IFCA website and click on the lobster icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring you to the Sussex IFCA permit database where you can enter your email address and your password to access your hand gathering permits. From here, once logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard page. Next, you'll want to select catch returns on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose your valid hand gathering permit. Next, select the month where you wish to submit catch return information. I'll choose August of 2025. From these two options, select Enter Fishing Data for August. Select the day of the month the first day of the month where you participated in hand gathering activities. I'll choose Saturday the 2nd of August. Next, select the fishing area or the area where you participated in hand gathering activities. Please note that if you hand gathered in Chichester, you'll have to click the plus button to expand a more in-depth map of Chichester. From here, you can choose one of the 5 areas to hand gather. I'll choose D. Next, select the species that you hand gathered, the total weight, followed by the method. If you hand gathered a different species or 2 different species on the same day, just select Add Another Row. It'll automatically bring up the same fishing area. However, if you'd like to change that, just select the box with the pencil in it to change. Select your species, the total weight once again, followed by the method. If you would like to delete any of these, just select the rubbish bin on the right. If there was a different day of the month where you wish to enter catch return information for, just choose the Select Another Date box. Choose the date from the drop-down menu. And then once again, enter a hand gathering area, followed by the species, total weight, and the method. Once you're happy with this information that you've entered, choose the Submit Catch Return button. This will bring you to our summary page, which shows you all of the days of the month that you submitted catch return information as blue. If there's any days that you haven't submitted catch return information for where you wish to, you just select this cancel button right here. If you're happy with this and the information you provided, just enter your name and then hit save. This is now submitted your catch return information for the month. Thank you for watching the Sussex IFCA guide for submitting monthly hand gathering catch returns. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or are experiencing any difficulties uploading catch returns.